Hello everyone and welcome to CodeFlix. So as you can see, here is a simple card slider or carousel you can see. So you can slide the cards like this, or you can just move it with the arrows. So as you can see, there are different cards. Here is the title of the card, here is an image, and here is some simple description. And you can embed an image or a video in this portion of the card. So today we will see how to make this kind of cards with using the slick jQuery, or you can say we use jQuery to make this kind of card slider. This card slider is used in many places. So let's start. So to start with, I have used materialize CSS. So as you can see, I have used the CDN for materialize CSS, and also I have used the script tag and used a CDN for the JS of materialize CSS. So as you can see, I have used that, and this is I am using for making cards. Then I have used slick CSS, which is the jQuery portion also is included in this. And to get slick.js, you can see I have opened the jQuery script.net is the website from which I have downloaded the slick.js. So I have already downloaded it, and I have extracted it and kept in the desktop. So I have included this in the link tag using the CSS. Also, this is some basic CSS which is available with the script tag. Also, I have used the script tag and at the end of the body, which will be helpful for the carousel. So this is the script which will be using for the carousel to move it infinitely and to show the dots below the carousel. And this is the JS which we have to include, which is already available. First of all, I'll create an h2 header tag and give it a name card slider. I'll close this tag, and then I'll open the section, and then I'll give a class called variable and another class called slider. So these are defined classes in the slick.js, and I have used two classes, that is variable for a variable size image size slider, and also a slider class, so that it can be known that we are making a slider. This is also included in the slick.js. So now I'll open a div. So now we'll start making the card. So I'll open another div, give it a class row. So if you have used Bootstrap, then you will be knowing what this class means. I'll open another div and give it another class. Here I'll give three classes. First is the call, sorry, first is call, then is S12, then M7. These are the three classes which will be calling from the materialize CSS. So we'll be using materialize CSS for making the cards. Now we'll open another div and give it the class, that is card. So this div, from here the making of card will start. Also, I'll give a style tag in which I'll mention the width of the card. I need it almost 250 pixels. So I'll give it 250 pixels. Then I'll give an image. So I'll first open a div, give it a class, that is div image or card image. Sorry, card image is the class which is defined already. And then I'll give the source of the image, that is img src, and the source is I have kept some images in the images folder. So I'll just mention that images slash the name of the file. Here the name is author1 and the extension is jpg. So the image is declared. Now to give title, I'll write span, and then I'll mention a class, and the class will be card title. So this will be the card title. For now I give it title 1, and then I'll close this div. So this div is already closed. Now I'll open another div for the content of the card. So I'll open div and give it a class card dash content, and this will be including the content of the card. So I'll give the content in a p tag. So let's say we keep a dummy text. I'll select this all and copy it for 3-4 times. So that's it. So this is how our first card is ready. So now what we'll do, we'll copy this whole div from the start. We'll copy this and then we'll paste it again and again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say we want a slider of 7 cards. So I have copy pasted the same content for 7 times. Now what I'll do, I'll change the title here. Let's say it is title 7, then it is title 6. This will be the 5. This is the 4th. This is the 3rd, and one more left, that is 2nd. So these are the 7 divs or cards which we have made, and as you can see we have given an image here in the card image. We can also embed a video. So we have to just change the tag from image to video and change the extension to MP4, and that's it. We can embed a video also. So I'll save it. Now I'll run it in the browser. So I have saved it here in the Slick master. The name of the file is Slick. So I'll open this, open with Google Chrome. So as you can see, the lorem ipsum dummy text, here text is embedded, title 1 is given, the image is embedded. Then you can see title 2, the second card. Then you can see title 3. Either you can control it from here, or you can just control it from sliding it and selecting the cards. So it will be infinite scroll, and it is also responsive. So here is the card slider which we can make using Slick. So thanks for watching.